In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon income to QuickBooks Online. This process is going to help you ensure your Amazon sales are accurately tracked in your QuickBooks account, streamlining your financial management and saving you plenty of time that you can spend focusing on your business. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where you'll find the Apps section, a crucial resource for integrating various tools and services that can enhance your QuickBooks experience. Once you're there, click on Apps. You'll see several tabs appear, and you'll want to select the Find Apps tab. This area is like a marketplace filled with all kinds of applications that you can use to extend the functionality of QuickBooks Online. Next, in the Find Apps tab, use the search bar to type in Amazon. This will bring up the app specifically designed to bridge your Amazon sales directly into QuickBooks. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. This click is going to take you to the dedicated app page. Here, you will notice an array of details outlining the benefits of connecting Amazon to your QuickBooks Online account. One of the key benefits highlighted is the automatic income feed. This feature ensures that your income from Amazon seamlessly appears in QuickBooks, ready for you to reconcile at your convenience. It's all about making your workflow as efficient as possible, reducing manual data entry, and improving accuracy. When you're ready to proceed, simply look to the top right corner of the app page and click on Get App Now. This is the gateway to linking your accounts, and once you click it, you'll be guided through the authentication and connection process. It's typically straightforward, prompting you to log into your Amazon account and approve permissions. Make sure you have your credentials handy to make this step smooth and hassle-free. And that's all there is to it. With QuickBooks Online and Amazon now interconnected, your Amazon sales data will automatically feed into your financial records, giving you better visibility of your income. You'll be able to reconcile with ease, keeping your bookkeeping up to date with minimal manual effort. This setup not only enhances accuracy, but also provides a clearer picture of your business's financial health right within QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step forward in managing your finances more effectively. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or a seasoned user, integrating Amazon sales is a breeze thanks to these intuitive apps, putting you in greater control of your business finances. So, keep up the great work and enjoy the benefits of a more efficient accounting process.